Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily sign up for an expert option account. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptops, go to the URL box and type in expertoption.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Expert Option. Go ahead and click on the register button at the top right corner to start creating a new account. Now, in the pop-up, you'll need to go enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. You can also sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. I'm just gonna go enter a valid email. After typing down an email, go to the password field and create a password for your account. Finally, accept the terms and conditions by checking the small square box and click on Open Account. Soon after you do that, you can go ahead and deposit, trade, and withdraw your earnings. Or if you don't want to continue with the real account, then you can click on Continue with Demo Balance at the bottom so that you can practice trading before continuing with real account. Now, soon after you do that, you'll end up in this home page or the trade page, and there you have it. That is how you can easily and successfully sign up for expert options. Practice first with the demo account before risking real money. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.